we think of 10,000 milliamp hour batteries, we usually picture bulky power banks. But until recently, only the newly launched Honor Win dared to bring that kind of capacity into a smartphone. Now, the Honor Power 2 I'm holding takes it a step further, packing a battery that's also over 10,000 milliamp hours. With this much juice, battery anxiety pretty much disappears. So let's dive in and see what this beast is all about. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The moment I picked it up, I had a strange sense of familiarity. Doesn't it remind you a little of the K70 Pro? That said, I actually like the Power 2's signature design more. It feels premium and refined, and it would be even cooler if customization options were available. The camera module uses a glass finish, which does tend to attract fingerprints, while the back panel has a frosted texture. Under sunlight, the pattern design really pops and looks stunning. The snow white colorway is especially eye-catching and looks great when you're out and about. On the front, you get a 6.79-inch flat OLED display with a 1.5K Honor Oasis eye protection screen, a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and an insane peak brightness of 8,000 nits, so visibility outdoors is never an issue. Powering the device is the new Dimensity 8500 Elite, which performs impressively for its price segment. Games like Honor of Kings run at a full 120 FPS with no trouble at all, and even during intense team fights, everything stays smooth. Thanks to the Ice Cool Night cooling system, you can game for long sessions without worrying about overheating. Network performance is just as important, and here the Red Flame 6E antenna combined with a multi-element fusion positioning engine keeps the signal stable, even in tricky spots like elevators or underground parking lots. Connectivity remains solid in all these scenarios. And now the highlight of the show, the battery. Capacity hits an incredible 10,080 mAh, which is actually 80 mAh more than the Win. Honestly, at that point, why not add just 6 mAh more and call it 10,086 mAh? Charging is equally impressive, with 80-watt fast charging and 27 watts reverse charging. That 27-watt reverse charge is no joke. It basically turns this phone into a portable power bank. If you're an iPhone user, doesn't that mean the Honor Power 2 can double as your emergency backup battery? After putting it through a full 5-hour battery test, the Honor Power 2 jumped straight to the top of our records, taking first place not just for battery size, but also for real-world endurance. That's a double win, and it really shows just how powerful this phone is when it comes to battery performance. Moving on to the cameras, it comes with a 50-megapixel main sensor, paired with a 5-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is more than capable for everyday photos. You're looking at some sample shots taken with the Power 2, and for daily use, it gets the job done nicely. Another big highlight is durability. With IP66, IP68, IP69, and even IP69K ratings, this phone offers full-level water resistance. That means you don't need to stress about rain, dust, or harsh outdoor conditions, making it an excellent choice for people who work outside most of the time. And of course, we can't skip the AI features, because Honor's Magic OS AI is one of the brand's biggest strengths. The display includes AI sleep assistance, AI defocus, eye-soothing features, and more. There's also AI True Material display technology, which boosts image clarity by up to 20%. AI plays a role in the camera as well, especially in night photography, where shots come out brighter and clearer. For gamers, the AI Turbo X performance engine helps deliver smoother gameplay. Even phone calls get smarter thanks to AI anti-fraud detection, which can be especially useful in protecting elderly family members from scam calls. There are plenty of other AI features to explore, so I won't go into every single one here. All things considered, the most impressive part of this phone is still its insane battery life. When you're out for the day, it almost feels like carrying a mini power bank in your pocket, and you can even help top up your friends' phones. As a smartphone, it delivers solid value for the price. So what do you think about the Honor Power 2? Do you feel it's a good fit for elderly users or people who spend long hours working outdoors? Let me know your thoughts in the comments or live chat, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.